Living beyond yours. It's essential to prioritize financial responsibility and security over luxury and excess. Raghu had always been drawn to the finer things in life. He loved luxury cars, designer clothes, and expensive jewelry. He believed that these material possessions were a reflection of his success and status. Raghu's problem was that he didn't earn enough to support his lavish lifestyle. He worked as a marketing executive, but his salary was modest. Despite this, he continued to spend more than he earned, relying on credit cards and loans to fund his excesses. At first, Raghu's friends and family were impressed by his luxurious lifestyle. They would often comment on his expensive watch or his brand new car. But as time went on, they began to realize that Raghu's spending habits were unsustainable. Raghu's finances began to spiral out of control. He was drowning in debt and his credit score was plummeting. He was forced to take out payday loans just to make ends meet. Despite the warning signs, Raghu couldn't resist the temptation of luxury. He continued to spend money he didn't have, convinced that he would somehow manage to pay it all back. The day of reckoning finally arrived. Raghu's creditor began to demand payment, and he was forced to declare bankruptcy. He lost his car, his watch, and even his home. Raghu was left with nothing but the realization that his excessive spending had ruined his life. He had sacrificed his financial security and his relationships for the sake of luxury. Living beyond your means can have disastrous consequences. True happiness and fulfillment come from within, not from material possessions.